The SoFi Essential Credit Card is an invite-only option aimed squarely at people who need to build or rebuild their credit without getting tripped up by surprise fees. It skips flashy rewards on everyday spending and instead focuses on making credits and is simpler to manage. There is no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, and even more unusually, no overlimit fee, returned payment fee, or penalty repricing. That means if something goes wrong, you will not instantly get hit with punitive costs or a sudden APR spike. The only real rewards here are 3% cash back on travel booked through SoFi Travel, and those points are worth a cent each when used in a SoFi account for savings, investing, or loan payments. This card reports to all three major credit bureaus, making it a legitimate tool for building a positive history. The invitation-only approach means it isn't open to just anyone, but it also means offers are targeted to people more likely to benefit from it. The application starts with a soft credit pull, so checking your eligibility will not ding your score. On the flip side, the APR is extremely high, ranging from 29.24% to 32.74%, so carrying a balance even once will be expensive. Without ongoing rewards for purchases like groceries, gas, ordering, it is not designed to beam an everyday spender unless your priority is credit improvement. In short, this is a safe, starter or rebuild card for those disciplined enough to pay in full every month and ready to start fresh without the traps of hidden fees. The lack of everyday rewards and a very high interest rate mean it is risky for anyone who might occasionally carry a balance. It is a targeted tool, not a one-size-fits-all card, and it works best for someone looking to strengthen their credit while avoiding the common pitfalls that can derail that progress.